Yeah? You?
You're the best.
Ducky. What are they called?
So this is called, he's called Teddy.
And this girl is called
Emily. And then this is,
Show me them.
this is
Faruka. Maisie.
She has her own collar.
Is it Maisie or Macy? Let's see.
Maisie.
Spell that out. M-A...
M-A-I-S.
Oh, Maisie. Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
And then here is Milo.
Milo, yeah.
And then Frisco. And we have another one downstairs in the playroom called Delgado.
Blossom, what's your guy's name there in your arms?
Phoebe.
Very
And
cute.
then this is the biggest one.
So he minds everyone, is he?
This is, yeah, he's called Scruff.
Scruff.
Yes.
Scamp. No? Scruff.
Scruffs. That's Scruff.
She got her that for Christmas.
Did you? Oh,
Yeah, I did
yeah.
remember last Christmas, yeah.
And who, what about this guy? The elephant.
Well, he's actually up there.
No, up there.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I thought you meant this guy. Sorry, yeah.
Well, the bear's
he's-
next.
He's, what's his name again? I don't know.
Stormzy?
Okay, I don't know.
No, what is it again?
Like,
Blossom, what is it? Who's he called?
Who's this
What
guy?
about the other one? The white tiger.
oh, King Snow or something, or
King.
King something, King like Snowy or something.
And Blossom, what about this one then, Willow?
I remember when I was Blossom's age, I wanted to call it Susie after Peppa Pig. So Susie.
And
Why are you showing the background?
just looking around.
Send it to Jess.
Okay. How much do you like sending stuff to Jess? Do you wish Jess was your mum, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Brushing your teeth.
Oh, sorry, you're holding her.
Derv, that was a bit of a mean one, wasn't it, though, from Blossom? What do you mean? Say that. Who do you wish was your mum or Jess? Why? I know, because you want to be beside Riley and Chloe all the time.
Yeah, she wants to be with Riley.
But
It's fine, Jess can be your mom. Okay?
Oh no.
Who said you wanted Jess to be your mom?
No, I don't need
well, you did say Jess. Oh no, she was only joking. She likes Riley and Chloe.
I'm only
Do
joking.
you want to jump? But we just fall down and my mom down to catch you?
Wait, we did speak about. Well, ask Willow. Don't upset Willow because she likes.
Can my dog go down?
Well, maybe not this one, but
Maybe one. No, well,
Not
actually,
that one,
that's
not that
her.
one.
That's her one, though, isn't it? That is her dog.
Okay, so we're going to
Well,
go
yeah.
get
Oh well, you
Christmas
shared them.
decorations.
They're all.
take it, yeah.
Let's go get the
You can take
Christmas
it. You can put it
decorations.
down yourself, but just like don't catch it.
Okay, I'll just
Oh, yeah,
one.
catch
Just
it,
one.
yeah,
Catch.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I want to go back up. Woo! Oh, good catch. Okay, right.
Another one. Get it.
Good catch. That was good. In fairness. Ow! Oh, she said ow.
Are you okay?
Does she suit me?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just want to go back up, please. Can I go back up and stay up?
Yeah.
Okay.
We stuck.
Oh, keep me.
I will take.
Good girl.
Can we just take the plastic off that bit there? Because it doesn't look great.
Oh yeah, the sellotape. I had that as a little handle for this. Like so, like it's really cool because
Oh, okay. Well, then
like
I'll
that.
use
So like you can open it and like close it to keep the dogs from not running out.
Say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, even though we're 6 months early.
No, 6 weeks.
Not even 6 weeks.
Sorry.
Not even. Actually, 5
6
weeks.
weeks.
It's Christmas in 5 weeks. It's Christmas Day.
Come on.